Tausif Ahmad Khan, lawyer, political analyst, completes the panel. Gentlemen, good evening. Mr. Rahman, is this the language of a democratically elected chief minister? Why are people hitting the streets? Why are they protesting? Why are people upset, angry, anguished? Who should answer for the deteriorating law and order in West Bengal? But instead of answering these questions, Mr. Rahman, look what the chief minister has said today. She is talking about retribution.
Absolutely. I mean, everyone has heard what the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal has said. And I don't think so there is any objection or there should be any objection with that. Because is she going to burn the other states like Jharkhand, Assam and something like that? You have to understand what Suvendu Adhikari is quoting and the BJP is quoting sitting on a national television. These BJP perpetrators, they're sitting on national television and calling West Bengal a mini Pakistan, a mini Bangladesh. They are not claiming that. They are saying that it has become a mini Bangladesh. How dare someone call West Bengal, where we have given freedom fighters, Nobel laureate, and you call West Bengal a mini Bangladesh, and after that you threaten to burn West Bengal. I mean, this is a reciprocate what she said today. Is she gonna carry a mashal in her hand and burn the all India? It's not gonna happen like that, sir. Enough is enough. Everyone is doing whataboutery and we are sitting on channel, we are defending each and everything. When we said that we are against the protesters, when did we claim that we're not going to happen any protest in West Bengal? Every day there is a 20 and 50 more than protests going on in West Bengal. Who stopped these protesters? No one. But when you compare with the yesterday protest, that was not a protest. Those 55, 60 years old men carrying lathi, carrying steel rod and wanted to vandalize the city, wanted the loot march and happen in the city, and you want the Kolkata police to sit like a sit pretty and to just watch the show. I mean, this is what Pranesh happened on the 14th of August when the Chief Justice of India gave phatkar to the Kolkata police that aap log kahan the, aap log kar kya rahe the? How come these people went inside RG Kar and you people were just sitting like a crowd? Why couldn't you stop? Where was your intelligence?
Okay, so
what
Mr. Rahman, no, 1 minute.
So
Mr. Rahman, you are comparing the mob that ransacked the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital to the hundreds who gathered to protest in Kolkata yesterday.
Why not?
You are drawing that analogy.
Yeah, why not?
Okay, why not? Guru Prakash, if the mob resorts to breaking law and order or disturbing the rule of law, they will meet this fate. And there is nothing wrong in what Mamata Banerjee has said. You heard Mr. Rahman?
No, Pranesh, I think it is a day of embarrassment. It is a day of embarrassment for the entire political class. A sitting chief minister, head of executive of a state, Madam Mamata Banerjee, in public domain, she is threatening. She is threatening the adjoining state of Assam, and let me just loosely translate what she said in Bengali. Assam jalega, Uttar Pradesh jalega, Bihar jalega, Northeast jalega, Odisha jalega. This is your definition of accountability? You are sitting on a constitutional position. This is the death of democracy. This is the death of constitutional ethos. Mamata Didi, instead of accepting, instead of fixing the accountability, you are just threatening and beating around the bush. Let me make this very clear. Bengal, which is the land of Renaissance, वहां पे अगर मुख्यमंत्री ऐसी खुली चेतावनी देती हैं, instead of giving this warning, you should have acted. The principal of RG Kar College, I want to ask my friend from the Trinamool Congress, what happened to him? Principal was given a respectable position after the transfer, after the suo moto cognizance of the Kolkata High Court, after the suo moto cognizance of the Supreme Court. They have gone on record and categorically said that there is no rule of law in Bengal. There is anarchy in Bengal. There is dictatorship in Bengal. There was evidence tampering that was very particular that happened in this case. Who is answerable for that?
No, but Guru Prakash, let me ask. Let me ask you a question, Guru Prakash. We'll come to what the Mamata. We'll come to the comments of the Chief Minister in a bit. 1 minute. Mr. Rahman, 1 minute. I am asking him a